Hey everybody, it's Dr. Davis. I wanted to do just a quick video and let everybody know that it's official. As of today, we finally have the DavisNutrition line of supplements open and available to purchase online now at DavisNutrition.com. It's been a process of 4 years. We've been trying to make this happen. It's been a painstaking process to get the quality of nutritional supplements that I promised to everybody. And it's finally all come together and now available to friends, family, and patients. And so I'm not gonna release it to the general public as of yet. We wanna make sure that everything is running as smoothly as we can. So you guys are gonna give me all the feedback that you can. Go online, check out the website. Let me know how the feel is. Let me know how you guys think the different products look and so on. Order some stuff, go ahead and get it. Let me know how the fulfillment process went. Please, the feedback is really important. You can send that to info@DavisNutrition.com. That's gonna come directly to me. I'm gonna read every email. I wanna know everything about the product line and the process to make sure everything's going exactly as we've set it up and intended it to be. But I couldn't be prouder about this product line. We've really set the bar so high to get this clinical level of nutritional supplements out to you guys. It really was born out of the whole concept that every single day I was making recommendations to all of my patients for different nutritional supplements, and I would send them to one place for a probiotic, another place for a fish oil, and get online for something else. And it was really getting daunting, and what I found was people were not very compliant. They weren't taking these things and weren't reaping the health benefits. And the reason that is it was just cumbersome. It was difficult. They'd forget to order it, they'd run out, things like that. So what we did is we set up a place that you can get all these high quality nutritional supplements all in one place, but they're all 30-day supplies. And then you can set up on a subscription service where every month you can get exactly everything you need at a discounted price so that you can get all of these things delivered, not even have to think about it. It all just happens automatically. And you don't have to worry about the quality because we made sure of that for you. The standards that we set were so high, and that's what a lot of the delays were. Number one thing I wanted was to have absolutely everything made here right in the United States. 100% made in the USA. We didn't want to have any outside labs, and we weren't able to control that kind of stuff. We don't know other countries, what's happening in the laboratories and things like that. So we want to make sure all the ingredients were sourced here and they were all manufactured right here. The next step was we want to make sure that they were all manufactured in facilities that were FDA approved, not basements, backyards, and garages where some supplements can actually be made in these warehouses. You want to make in FDA approved labs for quality and consistency. And what you also want is something that has what's called GMP, the seal of GMP, which is good manufacturing policies. And what that is that guarantees that the environment is clean and that you're not getting extra contaminants in the process. You might start with a good supplement, but then it gets contaminated. That doesn't happen when you have that GMP seal. The next part is we wanted to make sure once it was actually put together and put into a capsule or into a powder or a drink or anything like that, that once it was there, we wanted to make sure in addition to that, that we had quality control. So what we have is we pay a third party company to come in, grab something off of the line and test it for quality. So the purity, the consistency, contaminants, it measures all of that stuff, and it has to be within such tight tolerances to make sure that you're not getting PCBs and heavy metals and all this other garbage that can be inside some of the lesser quality supplements that you buy right at your grocery store or health food store. And so we really wanted to control all of those things, and that's what we've done. And we've made it really easy. So one of the things we have is called the Core 4 bundle. That core nutrition of things that I've recommended for thousands of patients throughout the last 20 years of my career, those things are available in something called the Core 4 Daily Essentials. What that is a multivitamin, a vitamin D plus K, a probiotic for gut health, and then in addition to that, a fish oil. Now the fish oil is, anybody can squeeze a fish, for example. We really wanted to make sure that we had the highest quality, so we wanted something that wasn't a farm-raised fish that had a large life cycle because they're in a bad environment and they're getting a lot of contaminants in that environment. So we went for a krill, which is a smaller organism that is out in the ocean and it's free, cold water caught. And we were able to get that and put that into a supplement that allows for the proper ratio of DHA and EPA. And so you're getting that omega-3 in your diet. You're getting good quality probiotics. You're getting the multivitamin. You're getting the vitamin D plus K that so many of us need right now for their immune systems. And that's all put into one bundle that you can actually order on a monthly basis. And for less than $100 a month, you're able to get that. There's no shipping or anything like that. I mean, we've really gone out of our way to try to make this as simple as possible so that everybody can regularly get the nutritional supplements that they need. And they get that clinical grade of supplements that really stands head and shoulders above the rest. 97% of all supplements out there do not adhere to this level of scrutiny. That's huge. And so we really put the time in to do this. And I just want to say thank you so much for your patience. I know so many of you reached out over the last several months in particular saying, when's this going to be done? When am I going to have this availability? Well, it's here now. And so I ask if you just go to DavisNutrition.com, browse through the different items, give me some feedback, order some items, tell me how you like those and so on. And I really look forward to serving you for many years to come. Thanks.